On August 8, 1942, the Quit India Resolution, also known as the Wardha Resolution, was passed under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi at the Bombay session of All India Congress Committee in Mumbai. This historic resolution declared the necessity to end British rule in India and establish freedom and democracy. The movement officially began on August 9, 1942, with Gandhi's powerful call to action, "Do or die." The slogan resonated deeply, inspiring Indians across the nation to protest and rally for the independence. The British government responded swiftly, arresting almost all Congress leaders and banning the Congress Party. Gandhi was imprisoned in the Aga Khan Palace in Pune. Despite the crackdown, strikes and protests erupted nationwide, growing increasingly intense and at times violent. The British government's harsh measures only fueled Indian anger, further shaking the colonial regime's foundation. While the Quit India movement did not immediately secure independence, it significantly weakened British control. Ultimately, India achieved independence on August 15, 1947. Born on August 8, 1908, in Varanasi, Siddheshwari Devi emerged as one of India's most renowned classical singers. Orphaned at a young age, she was raised by her maternal grandmother, Manabai, a celebrated singer and dancer. Originally named Gono, she was given the name Siddheshwari Devi by the esteemed scholar and astrologer Pandit Mahadev Prasad Mishra. Siddheshwari Devi excelled in various classical forms, including Khayal, Thumri, Dadra, Chaiti, and Khajri. Her exceptional talent earned her the Padma Shri Award from the Government of India in 1966. She passed away on March 17, 1977, but her legacy lives on through the Siddheshwari Devi Academy of Music, which honors senior music practitioners annually with music festivals. On August 8, 1876, Thomas Alva Edison received the patent for the Memograph, a groundbreaking duplicator machine that paved the way for modern photocopying. Edison, an American inventor and businessman, held over 1,000 patents and made significant contributions to power generation, mass communication, sound recording, and motion pictures. Among his notable inventions are the phonograph, motion picture camera, and electric light bulb. The Memograph machine featured a master page with embossed words. As the master page rolled over an ink pad, ink was applied to the embossed words, which were then transferred onto paper. This process allowed for up to 5,000 prints from a single master page, which could be reused. The Memograph's efficiency and adaptability made it an essential tool for mass duplication in its time. On August 8, 1908, the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, publicly demonstrated their airplane for the first time in France, dispelling widespread skepticism about their earlier achievements. Although they had successfully flown their plane on December 17, 1903, many European countries, especially France, doubted their claim. Determined to prove their success, the Wright brothers flew their plane before an audience, staying aloft for 1 minute and 45 seconds. The demonstration earned them fame across Europe. Subsequently, they conducted over 200 public flights across the continent, solidifying their reputation as pioneers of aviation. The Wright brothers are celebrated for creating and flying the world's first successful airplane, marking a significant milestone in aviation history.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 8, 1974, Richard Nixon, the 37th President of the United States, announced his resignation, becoming the only president in American history to do so. Nixon's resignation stemmed from his involvement in the Watergate scandal, a political scandal that began in 1972 when members of his party were caught breaking into the Democratic National Committee headquarters in the Watergate complex. The break-in aimed to steal information from the political party, and the subsequent efforts by the Nixon administration to cover up the incident led to widespread controversy. As evidence of obstruction of justice by Nixon and his team emerged, the scandal grew, leading to impeachment proceedings. Facing imminent removal from office, Nixon chose to resign on August 9, 1974, following his announcement the previous day. This moment marked a significant chapter in US political history, underscoring the importance of accountability and transparency in governance. On August 8, 1963, Britain witnessed the biggest train robbery in its history, known as the Great Train Robbery. The Royal Mail train carrying 72 post office employees departed from Glasgow for London on the evening of August 7. The employees sorted mail during the overnight journey, with the train expected to reach London after 12 hours. The train, consisting of 12 bogies, had a high-value packages coach behind the engine, carrying around 300 million pounds. The robbers executed their plan by changing the railway signal to stop the train. They then lined up the passengers at gunpoint and robbed them. Remarkably, the robbers did not use any weapons during the heist. They stole the train engine, abandoned it on the railway line, and escaped on horseback. This meticulously planned robbery remains one of the most infamous crimes in the British history.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.